ABAT stock analysis next week and onward. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. So American Battery Technology stock's been putting in some crazy good numbers, and I can't even lie, like it retraced down and it started to pick up yet again. For context, I've done 33,000 videos over the last 4 years, and I've spent thousands of dollars on courses and mentorships over that time period, and I've documented it all. Here, like I'm not even trying to exaggerate when I say that when the price was here, I had two biases. Either it breaks these high and I'm bullish, or it comes lower and then I take it up from there. Can you believe what's happening right now? We're actually going from that point over. Nah, I'm not trying to play down like a alpha here. But yeah, like I did not manage to catch this thing up, like as I like literally forgot. And it's still a bullish bias for me. So these are the highs. And as long as the price pulls down and gives me a shift, then and only then I'll take it up. Everything else in the meantime will just be me waiting. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple, earlier way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.